Hey guys, Dave from Pangione Developers. Let's talk about this Cape Cod home transformation. This family started off with this Cape Cod home. They've outgrown it. They need more space. This particular project, we stripped down the entire second floor. The first floor is going to be a whole open floor plan as well. Let's take a look. We just completed the demolition on the second floor. You could see this is a typical Cape Cod, low ceilings, the knee walls on the front and the back. All this lost space that's behind this knee wall, you can see it's only got a 7-foot ceiling, no attic. The plan here is to expand out the side of the house with a 2-car garage, approximately 600 square feet. What we're gonna do is expand the entire first floor out, and then we're gonna rebuild the second floor so that it's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with a laundry. Take a look at this little Cape Cod. You could see the smaller windows. It had a typical bathroom at the top of the stairway here, a bedroom on the left side, a bedroom on the right side. And the best thing is, here they're gonna be picking up all this space. They're gonna be going over the 4 walls, approximately 7 feet on this side, another 3.5 feet on that side. Let's go down to the first floor. Guys, just a few days ago, we started this. We're on 2.5 days right now. And take a look at this. We stripped down the entire first floor. There's going to be a dining area over here with a full open kitchen. We're expanding the existing family room another 7 feet in that direction. But here's where they're going to be picking up a lot of space. We're opening up the entire floor plan, and out that wall, we're going with a 2-car garage. Be able to pull into the garage, walk into the mudroom. It'll lead you to a bathroom down on the first floor. Everything else opens up. Now, if you follow us on our social media, you know what to expect. But however, if you want to follow this home transformation, you can click follow, subscribe. You'll be able to watch this home transformation from start to finish. Again, we're only 2.5 days into this transformation. We stripped down and did all the demolition. We're getting ready to do the excavation for the garage and the rear addition. So you can watch this entire transformation. I'm Dave Pangione. Thanks for watching.